The Boy Who Refused to Give Up, Part 1. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin, I want you to imagine something. Imagine you are just 13 years old, you have no money, no comfortable home, no new clothes. And every single day, people laugh at you, not because of who you are, but because of what you don't have. Most people would give up. Most people would stop dreaming. But not this boy. This is the story of a boy who lost everything, but refused to give up. And what happened next changed his life forever. If you believe in courage, like this video. If you believe in dreams, subscribe to the channel. And now, close your eyes and listen carefully, because this story may change your life too. Part 1. The Beginning of Pain. It was a cold winter morning. The sky was gray, the streets were quiet, and a young boy named Adam walked alone. His shoes were old. His jacket was thin, and his hands were cold. Very cold. But Adam was not thinking about the cold. He was thinking about his future. Just 1 year ago, Adam had a normal life. He had a warm home. He had friends. He had laughter. He had hope. But everything changed. His family lost their home. They lost their safety. They lost everything. Now, Adam lived with his father in a small, broken room. Sometimes there was no electricity. Sometimes there was no food. Sometimes there was only silence. But Adam never complained, because deep inside, he had something powerful. He had a dream. The walk that changed him. Every morning, Adam walked 5 kilometers to school. 5 kilometers in the cold. 5 kilometers alone. Other students arrived in cars. Other students wore new clothes. Other students had everything. Adam had nothing. One day, as he walked into the classroom, he heard laughter. A boy pointed at him. "Look at his shoes," the boy said. "They are broken." Another boy laughed. "He looks like a beggar." The classroom filled with laughter. Adam felt his heart break. Not loudly, not visibly, but deeply, very deeply. He wanted to disappear. He wanted to run. He wanted to give up. But he didn't. He sat down. He stayed silent. And he made a decision that would change his life forever. He decided he would not quit. The only light in his darkness. There was only one place where Adam felt free, the school library. It was quiet, peaceful, safe. No one laughed there. No one judged him there. Books became his friends. Knowledge became his weapon. Hope became his light. Every day, Adam stayed longer. He read more. He dreamed more. One afternoon, his teacher noticed him. She walked toward him. "Adam," she said softly, "why do you stay so late every day?" Adam looked up. His eyes were tired, but strong. "Because," he said quietly, "I want a better life." His teacher looked at him carefully. She saw something rare, something powerful. Not intelligence, not talent, but determination, and determination is stronger than talent. Right now. If you believe Adam is strong, comment below. Stay strong. Because the next part of his journey will test him in ways he never imagined. And don't forget to subscribe, because this story is just beginning. The night that almost broke him. That night, Adam sat in his dark room. There was no electricity, no light, only silence. His father sat nearby. He looked tired, older than his age. Life had been difficult, very difficult. "Adam," his father said. Adam looked at him. "Yes, father." His father spoke slowly. When life is hard, most people stop. But strong people continue. Adam listened carefully. "Pain is temporary," his father said. "But quitting lasts forever." Adam felt those words enter his heart. He knew something. Life would not be easy, but he would not stop. Not now, not ever. End of part 1. Cliffhanger. Adam did not know it yet, but soon he would face the biggest opportunity of his life. An opportunity that could change everything. An opportunity that could lift him from darkness into light. But the question was he ready? If this story inspired you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment part 2. Adam will face his greatest challenge, and only one decision will define his future. The Boy Who Refused to Give Up, Part 2. Before we continue, remember this. Adam was just a poor boy. No money, no comfort, no support from the world. But he had something rare. He had determination, and determination can change destiny. But what happened next almost broke him. If you believe strong people are created through struggle, like this video, subscribe now, because this part of the story is the most difficult one. And now, the story continues. The announcement that changed everything. It was a normal school day. The classroom was quiet. Students were talking softly. Suddenly, the teacher entered the room with important news. Her face looked serious. "Class," she said, "I have an announcement. There will be a national science competition." Students looked at each other. Some were excited, some were nervous. But Adam felt something different. Hope. The teacher continued. The winner will receive a full scholarship. A scholarship meant opportunity. A scholarship meant opportunity. A scholarship meant a new life. But there was a problem. Only the best student could win. And Adam was not the best. Not yet. The moment of decision, that afternoon, Adam sat alone in the library. His heart was beating fast. His mind was full of doubt. What if I fail? What if I am not good enough? Fear is powerful. Fear can stop dreams before they begin. Adam closed his eyes. He remembered his father's words. Quitting lasts forever. Adam opened his eyes slowly. And in that moment, he made a decision. I will try. Not because it was easy, but because it was necessary. That decision changed everything. The hardest days, from that day forward, Adam's life became more difficult. He woke up earlier, he slept later. He studied every single day. Sometimes he studied 10 hours, sometimes 12 hours, sometimes more. His body became tired, his eyes became heavy, but his mind stayed focused. Other students had tutors. Other students had resources. Other students had advantages. Adam had only one thing: willpower. And sometimes, willpower is enough. The pain nobody saw. One night, Adam was studying in his dark room. The wind moved through the broken window. The air was cold. His hands were shaking, not from fear, from exhaustion. He had not eaten enough. He had not slept enough. His body was weak, very weak. He looked at his book. The words became blurry. His mind whispered, "Stop. You are tired. You cannot do this." For a moment, Adam believed those words. For a moment, he wanted to quit. Right now, ask yourself this question. What do you do when life becomes difficult? Do you quit or do you continue? Comment below. I will continue. And subscribe to the channel because Adam's next decision will define his future. The breaking point that night, Adam stood up slowly. He looked at himself. He saw a tired boy, a weak boy. Tears filled his eyes. He asked himself one question. Why am I doing this? Silence answered. He looked down. And then he saw something. The photo in his hand. His family. His reason. His purpose. He remembered everything. The pain. The loss. The struggle, and suddenly, something changed. His fear became strength. His weakness became power. His doubt became determination. He spoke softly. I am not finished. Final preparation. Days passed. The competition was coming closer. Every second mattered. Adam studied everywhere. At school, at home, even outside. People saw him, some laughed. Some doubted him. But Adam did not listen to doubt. They listened to belief. His teacher watched him carefully. She saw his effort. She saw his sacrifice. She saw his transformation. One day, she said something important. Adam, I believe in you. Those words gave him strength. Because sometimes, one person's belief can change everything. The night before the competition. Finally, the night arrived, the most important night. The night before the competition. Adam could not sleep. His heart was racing. His mind was loud. Fear returned. What if I fail? What if I lose? Fear is normal. Even strong people feel fear. But strong people do not stop. Adam closed his eyes. He took a deep breath. And he remembered his promise. I will never give up. Cliffhanger ending. Tomorrow, Everything would change. Tomorrow, Adam would face the biggest moment of his life. Tomorrow, his future would be decided. But nobody knew what would happen next, not even Adam. If you are still watching, it means you believe in Adam. It means you believe in courage. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I believe in him." Because in part 3, you will see the final moment, the moment that changed his life forever. And the ending will inspire you, The Boy Who Refused to Give Up, Part 3. Welcome back, everyone. If you've been following Adam's journey, you already know this. A poor, tired, and scared boy is about to face the most important moment of his life. Tomorrow, everything will change. Will he succeed? Will his dreams come true? Or will all his struggle go to waste? Watch closely, because this part is the moment of victory, courage, and transformation. Like this video if you believe that courage can overcome fear, and subscribe to join Adam's journey until the very end. The morning of the competition. The morning sun rose slowly, painting the city in soft gold. Adam woke up before dawn. His heart was pounding. He dressed carefully, making sure his worn shoes were tied tight, his jacket neat, and his backpack ready. Inside, his notebook contained every note, every calculation, every idea he had worked on for months. His father looked at him. "You are ready," he said. Adam nodded. "I will do my best." The streets were busy. People walked past, unaware of the boy carrying the weight of a dream. When he arrived at the competition hall, it was massive and intimidating. Students from all over the country had gathered. Their eyes were sharp, their clothes were perfect, their confidence radiated. Adam felt a flicker of fear, but then he remembered his promise. "I will never give up." The challenge begins. The first round was tough. Complex equations, detailed experiments, difficult problems. Some students finished quickly, confident in their abilities. Adam's hands shook. His mind raced. He almost made a mistake in the first calculation. He stopped, took a deep breath. "Focus," he whispered. He looked around. Students were watching him. Teachers were observing. He remembered the nights without sleep, the hunger, the struggle, and suddenly clarity came. He wrote, calculated, corrected, and explained. Every solution precise, every step logical, every answer a testament to months of sacrifice. Time flew. The competition ended. Adam felt exhausted but proud. He had given everything. The announcement? The hall was silent. The judges prepared to announce the winner. Adam stood at the back, trying to calm his racing heart. And the winner of this year's National Science Competition is a pause, a silence, every heart beating. Adam Reynolds. The hall erupted in applause. Adam couldn't believe it. He had won. Tears filled his eyes. His father rushed forward. They hugged tightly. "You did it, Adam," his father said. "I knew you could." Adam smiled, realizing it wasn't just about winning. It was about every struggle, every tear, every sleepless night. It was about never giving up. The transformation, after that day, Adam's life changed forever. He received a scholarship allowing him to attend one of the best schools. He made friends who admired his courage. He continued learning, growing stronger, and inspiring others. But the most important change was inside him. Adam was no longer the scared, insecure boy who once walked alone through the city streets. He was confident, brave, and ready to face any challenge. He understood something crucial. Courage is choosing to move forward even when fear is overwhelming. The life lesson, moral, Adam's story teaches us this. No matter where you start, no matter how much you struggle, you can achieve greatness if you refuse to give up. Every obstacle is an opportunity. Every challenge is a lesson. Every fear is a step toward strength. If this story inspired you, take a moment to like this video. Subscribe to the channel to hear more powerful stories that will change your life. And comment below, "I will never give up," because, just like Adam, you have the power to overcome fear, rise above challenges, and transform your life. Remember, your journey starts with a single decision: to never give up. Thank you for watching, and stay strong.